Hello everybody, this is Steven with Cannin.com and we're back again with another technical analysis. And we're sticking with our trend with big revenue generators. So this week we're looking at Cresco Labs here in the USA, listed on the OTC. Cresco in the Midwest is one of the biggest MSOs, multi-state operators, vertically integrated, starting with growing, distributing, extracting. Really interesting company. Let's jump over to the pricing chart though and see what we can learn on the technical side. So you can see we're looking at CRLBF on the OTC, and we're zoomed a little bit out, almost till summer of last year. And we have a couple of indicators open, a momentum indicator, the AO, the awesome oscillator. We've learned about this one a couple of times. This uses two smoothed moving averages, the difference between two smooth moving averages, to help us chart momentum. And as you'll recall, when we see crosses is when we're going to start to act there. This is the zero line here. And let's just interpret just the awesome oscillator with Cresco. You'll see that here we have a downward trend, and then we have a little opportunity here to take profit. We have some upward trends. We did identify that with the slope change here. But look what happens at the cross. We cross, that would be a trigger to buy, and we get a little low signal here. Again, little movement. Here's a clear cross from positive to negative again on the AO. It happens right here. We've missed a little bit of the movement though, maybe a third or maybe half of this total trend. So it's late. And what do we know about moving averages? We know that they're slow. And so let me just get rid of this one. And what we have below is the MACD, moving average convergence divergence. And we've looked at this many times as well. What we want to see is we want to watch these two lines. One is the MACD, that's the blue line, and the orange is the signal line. And so we're going to look at convergences or divergences or crosses here. And so let's just look at the cross. MACD, the blue line crosses above the orange line right here. That's a buy signal. And look, pretty early on the pricing chart here. That's because the MACD is calculated using exponential moving averages, so a little quicker to respond. The bar chart, the histogram, is just showing the difference between the two. So you can also see when we cross from negative to positive, that's the same part where we cross the lines here. So another cross here, MACD going below the signal line, that would be a sell signal. And it happens much earlier than the awesome oscillator does. So awesome oscillator is pretty good at identifying momentum, confirming what you might already believe, but not so great as the primary indicator to tell you whether to buy or trade. MACD a lot better because it uses exponential moving averages. So stay tuned for similar analyses like this one. Watch Cresco Labs, check out the fundamental, and I hope everyone's having a great weekend.